Hi mga coders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, another day to code. So before I start, na pa shout out ni Junri Marson. He's one of my classmates in TMC.
Shout out, bye.
So let's start. So today we will make a simple program called Hello World. This is the first program that I know in programming, mag-print Java, mag-print og Hello World. So to those students or my classmates na nakalimot na unsaon pag print og Hello World, so this video is very helpful for you. Okay, so now
Let's start.
I will delete this or close this. Just save that. So now we will create a new file. New file name will class Hello World. Hello World. We'll just save it first.
Capital word.
Java. Okay, Hello World Java. Save. So now, with the curly brackets, then public. So now ang manghod, gusto siya matanaw sa akong pag-code ko, no? Void main string args, then curly brackets. Then in order to print Hello World, so you must type this system print ln curly brackets Hello World. Hello World.
Capital tanan?
Depende. Hello World. So if you will run it, the output must be Hello World. So let's try to run. Save it. Run it. Terminal. To file. Then we will just Java. Hello.
Constant na siya ni Budge.
Hello World. Hello World. Sorry.
May nine spelling.
Huh?
May nine spelling sa Hello World. Na ay una.
Hello World.
Java.
Okay. Let's try. Yeah. There's no error. Java Hello World.
Namuguti pa damdam.
Java Hello World. So let's run it. Boom. Hello World. So you can see we print Hello World. Now let's go back to the code. So by typing this class Hello World public static void main. So public static void main is a method. Then inside the method we print Hello World. So manatong karon simple program. So I hope
kasi tawag na ni method
main method. So marami I hope na-refresh niyo ang inyong mga hibawan sa una. Thank you and God bless. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
To his YouTube channel named Jonathan Cahes. Thank you guys.